Motivational story. The Boy and the Starfish. One day, a young boy was walking along a beach covered with starfish that had been washed ashore by a strong tide. The sun was rising higher, and the tide was receding quickly. Without water, the starfish would soon die. As the boy walked, he bent down, picked up a starfish, and gently threw it back into the ocean. He repeated this again and again. An old man, observing him from a distance, approached and said, "Why are you doing this? There are thousands of starfish on this beach. You can't possibly save them all. What difference does it make?" The boy smiled, bent down to pick up another starfish, and tossed it back into the waves. Then he turned to the man and said, "It made a difference to that one."
The moral: even small actions can make a big impact. You may not be able to change the whole world, but you can change someone's world. Keep making a difference, no matter how small it may seem.